Friends, if you think hot dogs are just for bread and buns, let me show you something a little different. And if you're um, looking for budget-friendly meals, I'd love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ms Donzella Cooks, where we'll be making budget-friendly meals. So I'm making spaghetti, but we're using hot dogs instead of ground meat. And I've got peppers, and I have got onions in here, and I have not diced them up. I wanted the peppers and onions in strips to give us a little texture, because I'm going to be using the Ragu Chunky Garden Combination Sauce, and it's got vegetables in it, so we won't need to add anything additional, but I do want to brown my hot dogs. And this is a real old school classic. When your budget's tight and you have a family to feed, friends, you have to get in that cupboard and look in your pantry, cupboard, refrigerator, freezer, and get creative sometimes. When you only have a little bit of money, and things are tight, and you have a family to feed, you just get creative in your kitchen. So I'm browning these hot dogs in a little oil and butter. Just want to get them brown. And then I'm actually going to season my hot dogs a little bit too. And I'm using the smoky hot dogs. You can use any kind of hot dogs you want. I am using the smoky Oscar Mayer. Yeah, the Oscar Mayer smoky hot dogs. And I'm going to add a little slappy mama to it because I want them a little spicy, a little heat to them. I'm also going to add some Mrs. Dash. I like Mrs. Dash because it doesn't have any salt. No, I'm not promoted by any of these companies. I just like to use their products. Another Mrs. Dash blend I'm going to use is this pasta blend. So we ought to give our meat some seasoning. And I've already got my spaghetti cooked. And we just want to brown these up. This is very economical. Hot dogs are not expensive. Spaghetti is not expensive. Just a can of and a jar of pasta sauce of your choice. If you don't have any pasta sauce in your cabinet, you got tomato sauce, that'll work. You got tomato paste, that'll work. Just brown up your hot dog. And again, friends, if you like easy, budget-friendly meals, check out my YouTube channel, Ms Donzella Cooks. I'd love for you to join me in the kitchen and subscribe to my channel and share my channel to friends that you know who might need some easy recipe ideas. It's good for busy weeknights too. And when you have children to feed, this is the kind of dish that children like, and you can feed a family off of this. You have a large family. You can stretch this meal here. And then if you don't have a large family, just adjust the recipe for maybe 1 or 2 people. And it's still really within the budget, very inexpensive. And you just brown your sausage. You can use any kind of sausage you like. Like I say, I'm using hot dogs, smoked sausage, any of that works. But today I'm using the smoked Oscar Mayer hardwood smoked hot dogs. And just brown these just a little bit more. And this is the spaghetti sauce I'm using. This is the Ragu, and it's the Chunky Garden sauce. And friends, the way things are nowadays, things are expensive. Groceries are getting expensive. And we're getting these browned up pretty good here. Turn my heat down just a little bit. Okay, friends, now I'm going to add my pasta. My spaghetti already had it cooked. Leave that across. And here I'm mixing the spaghetti here first to kind of pick up some of the flavors from the seasonings I put in here. Dump it out. From the seasonings I put in there. And I'm going to add just a little bit more. I'm going to put in some more Mrs. Dash. And I'm going to put in a little more garlic powder. And I'm going to put in a little more of this Slappy Mama. And just a little bit more onion powder. So that way your noodles have some flavor to it. Okay. Now let's get the pasta sauce in here. You can also, friends, when you make this, you can bake this as well, too. I'm just not baking it today. This is a skillet meal, inexpensive skillet meal to show you what you can do with just a few simple ingredients in your cupboard. And you can feed a large family with a meal like this because this is a budget meal that stretches. And for instance, this is got this pasta sauce in here. I'm just going to taste it a little bit because sometimes tomato sauce can be a little tart, but these that come out of the jar, they have a little sweetness to them, so it might be okay. I might not need to add a little sugar to it, but I'm going to taste it just a little bit to see. That's good, friends. So that's all there is to it. It's just a simple, budget-friendly skillet hot dog spaghetti. And you'll feed a large family with this for less than $10 because your expense is just going to be your tomato sauce. But these things you probably already have in your cupboard and in your refrigerator: hot dogs, tomato sauce, spaghetti, some onions, peppers. If you want to put that in there, you don't have to. And that's what we have here, friends. So let me dish that up and show you what it looks like. Turn that down. Like I said, you can put cheese on top of this and bake it. And it is absolutely delicious when you bake it. You'd put it in the oven for about half hour, 25 minutes, a half hour. Take it out, sprinkle some cheese on top of it, put it back in there for another 5 minutes or so to melt your cheese. And that's all there is to it. That's it. Simple, stovetop, hot dog spaghetti, budget-friendly meal. great for a large family. And in these times that we have right now, things are expensive. Looks like they're not getting any better right now. And we have families to feed and to take care of. So we have to do the best we can with what we have. And I thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. I really appreciate all the visits that I get, all the support that I have. And again, if you like easy budget friendly meals, I would love for you to join me in my kitchen and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, people you know that need some good budget friendly recipe ideas. Again, friends, thank you so much for joining my kitchen. Subscribe to my channel at Ms Donzella Cooks.